Here I have Samsung Galaxy J3 Prime, and let me show you how to accomplish the soft reset operation by removing the battery. So it's a very useful thing, for example, if your device stuck. So at the very beginning, all you need to do is open the back cover by using the following cavity at the right edge of the device. Let's just use your nail finger. Let's open the whole thing step by step. And now you can remove the battery just by using the following cavity. So let me do it. Just remove the battery for about 5 to 10 seconds just to reset your device, and then put it back in exactly the same way. Let's also close the back cover, and let me press power key to switch on the device. Samsung Galaxy J3 Prime is turning on. Let's wait until the device will be ready to use, so then the whole process will be completed. Alright, now you can unlock your device and start using your phone. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.